Good morning, guys and gals. How's everybody doing? I hope that you are staying away from folks so that you are social distancing like a responsible student should be doing. You have your social media to keep in contact with your friends. I'm going to walk you through our Article of the Week lesson very quickly so that you can get started on that. Remember, we'll be using this article each day. So if you don't have the link, you can go ahead and go to kellygallagher.org and find it as well, but I have the link next here for you. If you go ahead and click on your link here, it will open up your document for you. This is going to be our article of the week. How long will schools need to stay closed? A pandemic expert weighs in. So we're going to be listening from an expert in the field, a doctor, who studies pandemics such as what we're going through, and trying to correlate some of the data from one study to what's currently happening. So we're going to be kind of talking about that. Is that really valid? Is that something that we should be doing? I want you to also use today the Read Aloud extension to listen to your article. Make sure that you are following along with the article as you're reading it, okay? As you're listening to it. So you're following along as the reader is reading out loud, making that explicit text to the listening connection so you can start learning the words in that article. And then lastly, the next part that you're going to be doing is you are going to go to Flipgrid. Here is the Flipgrid code to pick a word or a line from the passage from the article and respond to it. It does not matter what word or line. All I want you to do is to find one that speaks to you and talk about it on Flipgrid. And then you will respond to 2 other classmates. Now, if you're the first one to get it up there, you're going to have to wait for others to post so that you can respond. So remember, you will use your screen your screen reader to read it out loud while you're following along. Then you will go to Flipgrid and you will respond to a word, line, or passage from the article, your choice. You decide how you respond to it, and then go ahead and respond or give feedback to 2 other classmates. Have a great day, boys and girls.